What's up, guys? Welcome back on this new video. Today we did pretty shit. Um, I'm not really happy with with myself at all, like at all. I did a lot of wrong, and we will discuss it here. So those are the trades I took today. So starting with overall P&L, we lost 377 on a funded account, and I was risking 120 per trade. I took four trade and four losses, one break even. Let's say one break even and three losses. So this one was the break even. Basically, I was okay. I was looking to take some share from this 1 hour here, and we had nothing. So I was waiting, and as soon as we had this internal manipulation, I said like, okay, here we add equal lows. So I said like, okay, we are just retracing to go lower, and matter of fact, luckily I set my break even point at this low here because then let me set this break even. Then London opened, and this was London open candle with 20-point candle, and then we should higher to then go lower. So this was a good trade in my opinion. General manipulation confirming the CSD retested here, and then I entered the trade. Um, Here, okay, perfect. And okay, then second and third trade. So at this point, I left the charts, closed the stream, uh, get myself ready, and went to work. I opened the chart and I saw this like choppiness of price action, right? Because this choppiness of price action, but the only things that I saw was we were going down, right? We were going down. This was a downtrend, right? So I found this 1 minute gap where price ended up manipulating higher than closing below this 1 minute gap, and I took my entry right here where you see the arrows here, and yeah, my break even was this low, and taking my position to this low and another contract to this low, but nothing. I got stopped out pretty quick here. Then what we see like couple minutes later, what we saw was we set this SMT inside a 1 minute, um having this as displacement closing below the CSD. And what I did, I entered, of course I entered here, um, taking same target as before, so this one and this one with the break even in the internal low, but yeah, nothing happened. So I took an L even on this one. Then we come to New York Open. New York did open high, so we opened high, and we get inside this 1 hour fair value gap, and this was the 50% of the 1 hour rejection block. As we see, we never topped it, but we have a nice rejection off of it. I was looking to take shorts in this zone right there, but I had no inch confirmation, even because this candle here closed here. So nah, I wasn't that good with taking this trade. And when I saw the retest on this 5 minute here with this 5 minute, where is this 5 minute rejection block, we respected with this 1 minute almost closing above the CSD. So we never closed above the CSD, so this wasn't that good trade. I took a long for the 1 to 1, even because we had SMT in place, 1 minute FEG CSD. So I said like this is prime, and I took it on all the four trade. The only one with sense was this one, but unfortunately, yeah, I was so down today, and I'm not really happy with myself at all. So if we like wants to type what shit we did today was for number one, over trading, right? Over trading because I over traded. For trade is not good. For trade in a day, not good, right? Only two per day is my target. Second, over risk. I put with brackets because I didn't over risk, but like I on in the total amount that I lost, I over risked, right? Minus 377 on the day on the funded, no good, right? And the third one is psych, no good, psych. Oh, what the fuck, psych for today. Those are the things that I messed up today. Um, I know that today is not a great content, but I have some headache, and at the same time, I'm thinking a lot about this day, and I'm kind of worried to lose my funded. Um, I'm like I know I don't need to have material connection to things because things come and goes like bitches. But like for me is sad. It's my first big milestone, and treat this milestone like this is something that is hurting myself, right? It's make me really really sad. So I have a full night to think about it and try to find the right mindset and the real mindset that I had before. So with a loss of 333, 377, sorry, on the day, for me is all. I will close the video with this fucking number and hope myself will take action to to increase this shit, right? Okay, thank you so much. Sorry for not being that happy today, but I'm not 100% here, so I might leave it like this today, raw as always, and hope to see you next day with something like more good.